attention, we did a little bit of research, just a little bit, that they no longer, well, potentially are no longer making this model of the AK. They've actually switched to this knife, which is almost identical. The weight system right here is a little bit different. The glass breaker only has one hole, a tiny bit smaller, and has the triad lock, which, as you know, when I did the mini lawman review, I like the triad lock. It's solid. It's a solid lockup. So, we're assuming that this is the new AK-47. And this one, which is also an awesome knife, I do like the axis system because it's ambidextrous, and you can still switch over the pocket clip. Great knife. It's brought to our attention that this might be a possible